Hey guys, what's up? This is Caleb with Black Pearl Media, and in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about what my goals for this channel is for 2021. Let's check it out. So if you're new here, guys, my name is Caleb, and in this video, I'm gonna try and dig in to what this channel is, what the goals for 2021 are, and where is this going. And to tell you the truth, I have no idea where this channel is going. I don't know where the end is. All I know is that it's gonna go forward, it's gonna go up. There's gonna be a lot of content going on, and I don't see myself stopping anytime soon. I'm really passionate about making these videos. I really like the YouTube space, and I can't wait to get more involved. And growing is super exciting for me. As you can see, I'm a smaller channel. I only have 967 subscribers as of right now. So for all you guys, hello, thank you for joining me. If you're new, feel free to subscribe. I do a lot of automotive content like this. How's it handle and drive?
It's fun. A lot of fun.
I hope you guys enjoyed that little montage. I have a lot of fun making those kind of B-roll videos, and I've shot a lot of really cool videos over the last year. But I also do a lot of content where I am working on my truck, working on projects with my buddy Nick in Tool Time Tuesdays, any random Craigslist deal or sale, or if it has to do with lenses or flipping items, I'm also interested in stuff like that. So I do a lot of stuff on the channel, but I like to keep it as geared towards automotive as possible. So let's talk about goals for 2021. Like I said, I'm at 967 subscribers, at least at the time of me filming. That's where I'm at. I would love to get monetized this year. To get monetized, you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in a 1-year period. I've smashed the 4,000 watch hours. I've done a lot of watch hours, which is great. And even though I'm coming up on 1,000, I had 75 or 80 subscribers from when I first opened this channel years and years and years ago. And somehow somebody decided it was a good idea to subscribe all the way back then. I don't know. If you're around, hi, how are you? I want to get monetized, and I'm hoping that happens in the month of February. I'm doing a daily upload in February to help boost my numbers and get some quality content in there. And also, I'm trying to motivate myself to make all sorts of good video content and not just be limited to automotive stuff. And what I mean by that is, in New England, right now it's wintertime, and everybody's pretty much putting their cars away. A lot of people have their projects going on right now. It's just pretty dead when it comes to automotive stuff. Another issue with winter for me is that I don't own my own house. I'm living in my in-laws' house, which is fine. I am super blessed to be here. I just got married a few months ago, and my in-laws were very nice to let us stay here while we kind of get our feet on the ground and we kind of figure our stuff out. But I don't have a garage. I don't really have a space out in the driveway to put an extra car. I actually have my car in storage, and I have my truck here, and the truck lives on the road, and there's not much room. But that will change in the future. I'm sure we will take steps forward and make do with what we got, and I'm never one to complain about my situation because I am very blessed to have what I do have. So what better way to challenge those challenges than to have them shape me, inform me, and give me an opportunity to grow. Which is why I'm sitting here under all this lighting, which I learned how to set up, and I think it looks half decent, and that's part of learning. That's part of growing, and I love it. So another goal for 2021 is gonna be, learning more, getting my hands all over this gear, making sure that I'm the best videographer that I could be, and not just for my YouTube channel, but for clients, for projects that I want to be involved in. I want to be proficient using this gear. Another goal I have for 2021 is to make more power in my Nissan 350Z, which I just rear mount turbocharged in 2020. I ended up leaving the dyno at about 365 wheel horsepower, which is stupid fun. Like, it doesn't sound like a lot of power, but it's so much fun. There was some limiting factors, which we fixed a lot of them, and we're gonna be heading back to the dyno sometime in spring, and we're gonna make even more horsepower, and I'm super excited about that. That's gonna be really exciting, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe for that, especially if you're into that kind of stuff. I wanna drive more in 2021. I did a lot of autocross and a lot of track days in the past, but 2020 obviously was pretty shot. But 2021, I'm hoping things clear up and we have more opportunities to drive. And the few opportunities that I missed last year when my car was being built, I want to be able to hit those. And I'm sure that there will be some struggles along the way. Maybe some things will break, some things will be, you know, some hard lessons learned, but there will be a lot of fun to be had. There will be a lot of memories made, and I cannot wait to film some track days, film some autocross days, and just enjoy the car. When I started the rear mount build, I told myself that I didn't want to be that guy who kept his car in the process of being built. You know, you build it up, and then the second you get to right when you're about to drive it, you tear into it again and you change something else. Now, I just want to get the power. I want to have it all said and done so that I can actually drive it, work on that driver mod, and have a lot of fun. Track in autocross is super, super enjoyable for me. I want to build a lot more friendships and relationships around the car community. I've done a ton of that this year, and it's been so rewarding. A lot of Derek's. Derek with the 260Z, super knowledgeable on resto mods, and he is a wealth of knowledge and a really good friend. Also, Derek Seekin, which is the guy who did most of the build on my rear mount system. He's very knowledgeable. He's built some really cool stuff. He's super nice. I've known him since before I worked on the system, from autocross and stuff. Just a super genuine guy. And my buddy Steve, who's been on the channel here and there, Denny, Nick, so many people. So I'm really looking forward to strengthening those relationships and those connections, and also building whole new friendships and whole new connections. I've always been super outgoing. Maybe it's because I was homeschooled. I don't know what it is, maybe because I just talk a lot, but I really enjoy the human connection and the connection you have through the car community. And now through the filming community is super awesome as well. So there are just so many endless opportunities, and I'm very excited for 2021. So that's pretty much all I have for today, guys. This is another video that's uploaded during February. There's gonna be another video tomorrow, so like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.